Hello family, it's Akye. That's all. Today's video is cooking Ghanaian okra stew. I want to share with you in this video how my husband cooked his okra stew. Listen family, this dude cooks so fast and it was so hard for me to measure. He doesn't do any measurement, so it was so hard for me to keep up. His friends in the family, he's known for cooking okra stew, at least a very delicious one. So I will make sure I force him to slow down on the next video so he can explain and also do some measurement for detailed video. So I will do that later and I will post that. So my husband does not use a lot of seasoning when he's cooking. However, he takes his time to cook, and he also cooks things separately from each other so they will have their own taste. And also the process of doing what he does is after everything is cooked, when he adds everything to the one pot, it doesn't take long for the food to be cooked. So that is the reason for doing everything separately. Sorry family, I know this is a quick fast video, but do follow the instruction on this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.
Samsung, if we are true.